Do you want to know how you can delete phone number or contact numbers on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the contact numbers or your phone numbers from your Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Go to your menu and go to Contacts. You can see that there are a lot of numbers. Go ahead and tap on the number which you want to delete. Tap on his or her profile. Click on the three dots, which is the settings, and you can see delete contact. Go ahead and click on delete contact. Click delete, and there you go. You have just deleted the phone number of a person. Let me give you another example. Open Telegram, go to the menu, go to contacts, and select a number who you want to delete. So I want to select this number and I want to delete it, so I'll go to his or her profile, click on the three dots on the top right hand side and click on delete contact. After that, I'll click delete again and the number has been deleted. So this is how you delete contact numbers or phone numbers on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.